Last time you saw me put in the two bulbs up here. Now we're going to be going for the fog lights. I have an earlier year, you guys may have torque screws here. If you guys don't have torque screws, you're going to have these little push pins. So I'm going to show you how to remove these. It's really easy. I just use this tool right here. I'm going to fast forward that part really. And just pull all of these out. And these right here. Then I'm going to show you what to do next. So I'm going to catch up to you right after I do. So once you get to this spot right here, let me unzoom. You're going to, sorry if you hear some, shuffling because I'm, shuffling all by myself. So you're going to untake these three bolts out here. They give you, oh, sorry, I'm blocking the light. They give you 3 bolts, but I would recommend you use the original stock ones. I just don't like the way that, the aftermarket ones look. I would use the stock ones over again. So I'm going to go get the fog light assembly and show you how to put it together. So this is what the light looks like when it's together. You're gonna get it in 2 pieces. Like I'll cut a piece of the other video so you can see it looks like apart. You're gonna get 3 included screws. Let me try to get the focus. And then you're just gonna screw it in here, there, and then the last one goes in on the other side over here. Oops. Boom. See? It only goes in one way. And they'll tell you, if this is left, right. Like, see, this one says top right here. Try to focus it. You see it? May not be able to see it, but it says top right here, and it's still in the same shape of whatever side it was on. You're gonna take this. I'm gonna show you what to do with the plug in a second, and just take it out. Boom. You're gonna take these little black pieces off, slide them off, throw them on the ground. You don't need them no more. And you're gonna slide these metal rods right here through the back of here. Just feed them through the front. If you plug it all in right and it's not working, just reverse the polarity, pull them back out, switch them, and then it'll be fine. Because you can't just flip the thing over because it has an actual notch right here. So just flip it over. Flip over the polarity. If it's like this, switch it like this, and then put it back in. So we're going to deal with this in 1 second. We're going to take the old one out. So to take the old one out with the other 3 bolts, it's a 7mm. So we're going to take the 7mm, take those 3 bolts out at the bottom I showed you. Also, drop these 2 black clips down. Let me zoom in for you. Right here. More. Boom. So we're going to unclip these 2 black clips here. Once you, just turn this, take it out. That's easy. And then just like the other light that we did for the high beams and low beams, we're going to push these 2 up and disconnect this housing from the actual light bulb itself here. See? We're going to take the light bulb and put it on the side. Forgive me, I'm doing it all with one hand. Kind of flip it like this, and then the whole assembly comes out, and you got the hole there. Boom. So now that we got this out, we unzoom completely. It's all the way out. See, as you see. Try to adjust the white balance there to where it's not that bright. Hold on. Boom. So now that you got it out, put it on the side, and then we're gonna bring back the good one. Sorry guys, you probably hear a lot of shuffling, but I'm doing it all with one hand. And we're gonna put the pins in the same spot. As you see, there's 2 pins at the top. Make sure those go on the top right there, and we're gonna put the 3 screws in the bottom. As you see, those 3 holes right there. Alright guys, I got it in. It looks perfect. And I'm going to show you what it looks like from the front, because I know that's what you guys are waiting for. And then you just put it in the same way you took it out. Very easy, just push clips, snaps. Take it like this. Boom. Blinker's on. Get down closer so you can really get a look at it. Look at that, that's beautiful. Perfect. Way brighter, way brighter. As you see, it's way brighter. It's even bright going over all the way over there. So until next time, guys, this was the Corvette Boys, and we are out. If you have any questions or concerns, hit me in the comments.